This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your IP address in calls on WhatsApp. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on WhatsApp. To hide your IP address in calls on WhatsApp, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower right-hand corner, down to my little settings icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to scroll down a ways, down to where I see Privacy. Tap on Privacy. Then you want to scroll down toward the bottom, down to where it says Advanced. Tap on Advanced. And then right in here, Protect IP address in calls. It says to make it harder for people to infer your location, calls on this device will be securely relayed through WhatsApp servers. This will reduce your call quality. There is a Learn More button, but to enable that, you would just toggle this on right here. And to disable it, you just toggle it off. That is how to hide your IP address in calls on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.